How to enable others to post on your timeline on Facebook app. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's get right into the video. First of all, launch Facebook application. Log into your account. Head towards three-line menu icon at top right. Now scroll down. Navigate to Setting and Privacy and choose that. Open Settings option and then you will land on the Setting and Activities section or Privacy page. Scroll down. Now look for the option for Profile and Tagging, which is under Audience and Visibility. Tap to open it. Now look for the section of Viewing and Sharing at top and choose Who can post on your profile. Select that. And in order to enable others to post on your timeline on Facebook app, tap on Friends so that your friends on Facebook will easily post on your timeline on Facebook app. Now tap Save button and that's it. You are good to go. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.